There's a crucial yet widely misunderstood estate planning strategy used by the ultra-rich and successful to reduce their estate taxes, secure their personal assets, protect their family, and accelerate intergenerational wealth creation. And chances are, if you own a home or small business and you don't know what I'm talking about yet, then you probably aren't using it. And it will cost you big. I'm Jed McClure, and I'm the founder of the Supernus Business and Law Center. I'm an attorney, small business owner, successful entrepreneur, award-winning author, and former university professor. And I discovered this incredibly important strategy the hard way. You see, before becoming an attorney, I was a career entrepreneur. Over the last 20 years, I've created multiple multi-million-dollar companies and became an award-winning author. I thought I knew enough to structure my estate and business on my own. After all, attorneys are expensive. And well, how hard could it be? But then my business partner embezzled more than $12 million from our company. When I confronted him, he hired a hitman to kill me and several others. He's now spending the rest of his life in jail, but his actions had serious consequences. 2 men were murdered. My company went bankrupt and I lost millions. And in the middle of all this, I discovered that my personal estate was a mess. I didn't have clear instructions for the legal succession of my businesses or properties, and no one had legal authority to access my various investment accounts and my bank accounts, or to manage my properties. If I had died, my family would have spent years in probate court trying to sort things out and gain access to my accounts and assets, and they would have lost a small fortune in legal fees, taxes, and other unnecessary expenses. Looking back, I realized I made a lot of mistakes that contributed to this mess. Just like many independent people, I assumed I could just read a few websites, talk to some friends, fill out a few forms online, and that would be enough to set up my estate by myself. But boy, was I wrong. I decided I needed to make sure my family was taken care of if anything happened to me in the future. And I wanted to help other families so they could avoid the same type of disaster. This meant understanding everything I could about estate planning and asset protection. So I went to law school and then business school. I learned from skilled attorneys and industry experts. I studied everything I could about asset protection and the estate planning tools and structures specifically designed to safeguard your assets, reduce your taxes, protect your heirs, and create intergenerational wealth that can be passed down to your kids. In other words, I learned the exact same estate planning tools and structures used by the ultra-rich and successful. Now, through the Supernus Business and Law Center, I combine my legal knowledge with my 20 years of experience creating multi-million-dollar companies to help property owners just like you structure your estate plan the right way. So if you are a homeowner or a small business owner and you want to set up an estate plan that will legally reduce your estate taxes, safeguard your assets, protect your family, and create intergenerational wealth, then click the button below to schedule a consultation, and let's build a custom tailored estate plan that will protect your assets and your family.